Hey everybody, it's Delaney with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, and this is the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 2810. This unit is a super awesome family fifth wheel with a huge rear bunkhouse, an awesome living space floor plan, and all the awesome features to make sure you are having a luxury camping experience. Again, I am with Premier RV in Bluegrass, Iowa, a family-owned and operated RV dealership. So make sure to check out all of our social media and our website linked in the description down below. And of course, like and subscribe to check out more RV walkthrough videos just like this one. Starting off on the outside, we've got Brinkley's seamless aluminum exterior, which is laminated and about 50% stronger than your conventional aluminum-sided camper. It also is more resistant to your outside sun fading, and Brinkley is so confident in this that they have a 10-year warranty on this as well. Right here, we've got your tandem 7,000-pound axles. This comes with the TCS suspension system, which reduces shock to the frame by about 50%, and it also comes with the anti-lock brake system and sway control with brake boost. This helps ensure that you maintain control at all times during your travel. In the door side pass-through storage compartment, you'll find an outlight, some exterior satellite hookup, your hot and cold door side shower, and your light switch. You'll also find your power disconnects in the door side pass-through storage as well. Down below that, you have your under I-beam storage compartment box here. Just another little exterior compartment, great for chairs and other things like that. Next to that, you'll find your propane storage, or one of two propane storage compartments. I believe this can fit up to 40-pound tanks in each propane storage compartment, so this comes standard with two 30-pound tanks, but if you wanted bigger or smaller, you could switch it out if you wanted. Up front, you've got a large front storage compartment where you'll find your battery hookup, your solar controller, as well as your hydraulic system. Your hydraulic system controls your slides and your leveling jacks. It's just very convenient and efficient for you. And speaking of auto leveling systems, this one comes with a one-touch 4-point auto leveling system. It truly just makes camp setup so much easier. Now we are coming into our off-door side pass-through storage. Again, this is your auto leveling system there. And you'll also find your on-command utility center here with your 65-foot retractable hose, your electric dump valves, and other things like that. And you've got another under I-beam storage compartment here. Next to all that, you have your tankless water heater. It's going to make sure your showers run nice and hot for however long you want it. Down here where your tires are, there's those little orange things. That is your TCS suspension system. I mentioned that earlier. Another nice towing addition to this unit that Brinkley added is the Kurt Helix Kingpin with spring and shock absorbers. This has about a 30% reduction in force into the RV frame and body compared to your regular Kingpins, and it can help reduce chucking and jarring when you're towing. Coming around to the rear off-door side corner, we have a private entrance into the bunkhouse. I like this addition, especially if you have older kids or older grandkids, or you even have guests or visitors coming to stay with you. They can have their own little private entrance. That way, maybe if they stay a little later than you or they wake up a little earlier than you, they're not causing a ruckus trekking through the whole camper just to get in and out. Both the front and the back private door on this unit have keyless entry, which is nice because then you're not having to worry about where all those keys are all the time. You can just type in that code and you're in. Coming around the back here, we've got a 2-inch rear receiver, good for added towing or extra cargo. We've also got a nice sturdy ladder to get up onto the roof. The roof is low maintenance, but they still recommend you to go up there and check all your seals. And a nice standard rear observation system there. Alright, now coming back around to the door side rear corner here, we've got a nice exterior kitchen compartment. If I remember correctly, not a lot of Brinkleys have an exterior kitchen, so this is a really nice addition. You've got a nice large workspace and 2 metal drawers, perfect for all of your outside cooking utensils. And of course, you've got a nice little outside fridge here. They did also put a LP Quick Connect below this storage compartment, so you have your outside kitchen right next to where you could hook up a grill. This unit does also come with 2 awnings, one 10-foot and one 20-foot. It's going to give you lots of campside shade. You also got all Euro frameless windows around this unit. And of course, exterior speakers so you can get your party on. Coming inside, we're starting off with your little control panel here. You can control this bad boy from your phone anywhere, anytime. Right above the couch in the living space, you've got a nice little USB charger here, a little shelf you can throw your phone in, nice large overhead cabinet space here, as well as your Rockford Fosgate stereo sound system control that controls your interior and your exterior speakers. This does also come with subwoofer prep that they usually throw right behind the theater seats in this thing. Below that, you've got some nice little reading lights here above the couch, a beautiful mirror. I think mirrors really do just kind of make everything feel more spacious. It creates the illusion of space. You've got your trifold sofa bed here. It can fold out into a bed to sleep some extra guests. Over into the theater seating area, of course, you've got your theater seats. This is a nice tall slide box, and you've got some really cool accent lighting above the theater seats in case you want to turn that on, turn it off, whatever you desire. In the theater seats, you have wireless phone charging as well as heat, massage, and USB ports. Just adds a little bit of extra comfort and luxury to campers like this. Right across from the theater seats, you have your entertainment center with your 50-inch smart TV. And of course your sliding dinette. This thing can seat up to 4. It comes with 2 storage ottomans and of course this nice little pull-out utensil drawer for all of your pencils, notebooks, pens, things like that. You've also got some nice storage underneath the dinette. Perfect for honestly anything that you want to put down here. Into the kitchen, you've got some nice large counter space, a ton of kitchen storage here. As is with all Brinkleys, all of the cabinets and drawers are made with premium residential hardwood. All the drawers are made with dovetail joints, which prevents them from easily coming apart, especially during long-term travel. And the cabinets have hidden hinges and soft closed doors, which just is overall good quality construction. You've got the pull-out trash can here and your paper towel holder here. You've got a single basin residential sink in this unit with the spice rack right below it. And of course some large under the sink storage, which is also where you can put a dishwasher if you want to get one. It is dishwasher prepped for you. In the kitchen, you've also got a residential oven, a 3-burner gas stovetop, and a large residential microwave. Now, you do have a lot of counter space in this unit, but of course you could always use more, so they added this extra little flip-up counter, and all of the counters in this unit are solid surface from the kitchen to the bathroom, etc. And behind me in the kitchen is where you'll find your large pantry with pull-out drawers. This also has an outlet inside of it in case you want to throw a coffee maker in there, a blender, I don't know, something that you want to plug in there. Next to that, you've got your 16 cubic foot fridge. This thing is huge. It'll fit all of the food, all of it. Connected to the kitchen is the large bunkhouse. In here, you've got a large L-shaped top bunk and a large bottom bunk with lots of storage for all of your kids or your guests' things. And if not used for sleeping, I've seen other people comment that they would like to maybe even use this as a own personal closet, which I think is a great idea. Anyways, lots of storage in this bunkhouse. You've got windows on both the top and the bottom bunk, as well as a reading light. In the bottom bunk, you have 2 reading lights and a little compartment with outlets and USB charging. And on the top bunk, you've got outlets and USB charging as well, but you also have a little shelf since there's no cubby up here. Again, a nice large window, LED lights, and of course, your flat screen TV. Next to the doorway of the bunkhouse, you also have these nice little fold-out J-hooks and your dimmable light switch. And yeah, overall, it's a pretty neat little bunkhouse. Moving on, we are heading up into the bathroom. This is a nice large bathroom, really beautiful backlit mirror with a medicine cabinet here. You've also got a little storage compartment that passes through into the wardrobe in the bedroom. Again, solid surface counters in the bathroom as well as the kitchen. Right above the counter in the bathroom, you also have an outlet, your light switches, and your max air vent fan control. Got some nice little storage drawers here and a ton of under the sink storage as well. For showering, you've got a 30 by 42 inch single piece fiberglass shower here. You've got your residential shower head and some built-in shelves in there. Nice glass sliding doors, pretty sturdy. Got some cute gold J-hooks there, perfect for your towels and robes and things. Here is your porcelain foot flush toilet and your built-in toilet paper holder. Alright, heading into the bedroom, you pass by your 2 light switches and your AC control. In the bedroom, you have a 13.5K BTU AC, and then you also have the 18K BTU Chill Cube AC in the main part of the unit. Anyways, in the bedroom you have a nice queen-size bed, tons of overhead storage above the bed as well. You've got some reading lights on both sides of the bed as well as your outlets. Perfect for phones, CPAPs, things like that. You've got another flat screen smart TV in the bedroom with some more J-hooks for towels, coats, things like that. And of course, you can't forget the floor to ceiling wardrobe. Beautiful pull-out drawers here, lots of storage, and you guessed it, more storage underneath the bed. This bag, I believe, is where you'll find some extra chairs for your dinette in the kitchen. You've got some more drawer space down below. And all the windows on this unit come with these integrated blackout shades and window screens, nice and insulated. It really helps to regulate the temperature in these things. Alright guys, so that was the 2026 Brinkley Model Z 2810. This is a great bunkhouse floor plan. It's great for families. It's great for people who expect to have visitors when they're camping. And overall, all of the features and amenities that this thing packs is just 100% so worth it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give us a like, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments down below. I will link all of our social media and our website in the description down below if you are interested in this unit or learning more about units like it. Thanks for watching!